One thing we hear most from our clients is that integrated design systems is chosen for the talent, the imagination, and the experience we provide. We exceed expectations. Fact is, there are many product design firms, but our clients specifically want to tap into our wide and deep technical experience of 30+ years. Our diverse experience in commercial, industrial, and consumer products benefits you with a broad perspective and our ability to always think outside the box. All our clients know we work quickly, on time, and on budget. We understand your challenges, and we know that innovation propels companies like yours to be #1 in your market. Our unique pool of creative talents provides you with a multitude of viable design options without a big committee bogged down. We produce design solutions that are cost-effective, visually stunning, ergonomically optimized, and always early to market. It sounds simple enough. Quality design lives where aesthetics meets the end user. IDS is a full-service industrial design and product development firm, and our reputation for creating imaginative concepts to a finished, high-quality production design has been proven hundreds of times for our long, prestigious list of clients who've become loyal, long-lasting friends, as well as business partners. We understand and deliver value in branding, human factors, engineering and analysis, plus manufacturing expertise. And what's more, we've never missed a critical deadline. And better than 90% of our clients return to us for their next project. And we intimately understand and meet our clients' needs and expectations. We work with companies nationally and worldwide. So let's get connected, get acquainted, and get started. I'm Michael Poloyan. Let's team up today, and I'd like to thank you.